In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to add a border to a Google Doc. So this method is really beginner friendly. So let's jump straight into. Uh, Now you need to be in your Google Doc file. So let's go here. I will go down to this page. Now, first thing first, we need to do is click File, then create new. A ti mene motiš. Taj. And choose here document. In the new doc, click insert. So insert, go to the table and select one by one table. Like that. Now we can right click on it inside the table. Choose table options right here. And we go here to on the right side to the color. And now we can set the color border. So I will go with this green one. I will set to 3 thickness, so like that. So now we can go to our original document. We can copy this text, all of it, go back where we created this border line and paste it in it. So, and as you can see, now we have all the text in this table cell. And that's it, a border that appears on every page to next blocking. So now if we can add, as you can see, it will adjust as it needs to. Now, if everything is crowded, we can do a little bit like extra here, like so, a little bit wider, and that's basically it. Everything now looks perfect. So if this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment saying I subscribed, and I will thank you in the comment section. So here, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.